Hello everyone, thanks for joining me for this new video in the series how to get started with OxyProps. In the previous video we had an overview of what OxyProps adds out of the box without any specific settings to your Bricks editor. And in this video we will explore the plugin dashboard and we will have a look at the settings tab. So this is the dashboard page of the plugin. There are not a lot of settings on this page. The top section here gives you information about what OxyProps did detect. So currently detected bricks as your page builder. If you were using Oxygen, it would say that it detects Oxygen. It's identified as supported. If you were using, I don't know, something like Elementor, for example, OxyProps would tell you that this builder is not supported. And it gives you also information about the currently installed version and whether there are updates or not. And by the way, if an update is available, a small red dot would be showing on top of the version here. Okay, so on this page, you have the possibility to export and import settings and to restore defaults. Maybe you are used to specific settings. Do you want to use on all of your websites or at least use on other websites? Well, instead of doing your setup over and over on each website, you can export your settings by clicking this button. This will download a JSON file, and then on your other site, you can upload the settings and give it the JSON file, and this will set all of your settings at once. So once you are happy with your settings, you can download it, keep it as a backup if you want, and use it on other sites. At any time, if you click this button, you will reset the plugin to the default. So this will delete all your settings. So take care when you use it. And finally, you get information about your license and you can deactivate it.